So here is my after look of my mini command center. So I'm going to tell you of which where I got these items here. So first, this one on the top, it says thankful for this day. I got it from Dollar Tree for $1, and they are really cute. They have it in different design. The other one I saw was bless this home, but I ended up getting this. Like you can change it, like it's changed the months and the day here. So that's that one right there, and then on the bottom one right here is also from Dollar Tree. You can write it with dry eraser, so you can always change it anytime you'd like. And for mine, I just put like a weekly schedule that I'm going to do that week, and also like I say, I just put like the days on the top, and on the side is like the chores, the menu, and then in the bottom is some reminder that what I'm going to do, important stuff for that week. And then right here on this side is just a notepad for some grocery list that I'm going to be having that week. And right here is a magnetic decor from Paris, France, when my husband went there. And then on the bottom is just a cute little tiny calendar. So it's really nice. Here the decor from South Korea, and this one is from Germany or Belgium, I think. And then another from here. I really want this to be here because it's some prayer that we can always remind ourselves to do. And then right here is I really like this. This from my friend. She sent it out this past Ramadan, so thank you for that. So that was from her. And on this side right here, I'm thinking about putting like a basket for a mail. So I'm still on a hunt for a mini mail basket on that side. I'm gonna put on that side so I can put my mail there. So yep, this is my mini command center. So I hope you guys like this and you got the idea, so you can do this on your own home. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe and share my video.